Hi sweet blossoms, I'm Nazanin. Welcome to my crochet corner. In today's video, I want to show you how to make this beautiful little and easy 5-petal flower. All you need is a little bit of yarn, the right size of crochet hook, and a small hair elastic. Make sure the elastic is small enough. If your yarn is thin, just double it up and crochet with two strands together. Okay, are you ready? Let's jump in. Make a slip knot on your hook. Insert your hook in this elastic hair tie. Fold it and make a loose single crochet inside it. Now we're gonna make chain one. It will be as a first half double crochet. We need 19 more half double crochet in the elastic hair tie. Wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook in this elastic hair and bring it out. Pull through all the loop again. Just make half double crochet, don't make them too tight. Make them loose. Continue until you reach to the end. We need a little elastic hair, okay? Cut the tail of the yarn from first. Continue with making half double crochets. In the end, insert your hook in the first stitch, make a slip stitch. Okay, now we're gonna make chain two. We're gonna make one double crochet. Next stitch, a triple crochet in the same stitch, a triple crochet in next stitch. Now a triple crochet in the next stitch, a double crochet in same stitch with it, chain two, a slip stitch in next stitch. Again, chain two, repeat the diagram for the next 4 petals. One double crochet, one triple crochet in next stitch, triple crochet in next one, a triple crochet plus a double crochet in the next stitch, chain two, a slip stitch in the next stitch. That's it. It's very simple, isn't it? Chain two, a double crochet and a triple crochet in the same stitch, a triple crochet in the next one, a triple crochet plus a double crochet in the next one, chain two, a slip stitch in the next one, chain two, a double crochet and the triple in the next one, a triple crochet for the middle one, a triple crochet and a double in the next one, chain two, a slip stitch in the next one, in the last petal, chain two, a double crochet, a triple crochet triple crochet in the next. In the last one, I'm gonna make a triple crochet, a double crochet, and chain 2 and a slip stitch in the first stitch, and make tight chain, cut the yarn and fasten off. That's it. It's very easy, quick, and you can use your leftover yarns for making it. And you know, it's gonna be perfect on the little cute girl's hair. Just secure the tail of the yarn. Okay. This beautiful and easy 5-petal flower is ready. Now all you need to do is tie your little girl's hair or your own into a bun and wrap this around it. Then you'll shine like a beautiful flower branch. I hope you enjoyed of today's video. Now, I hope you enjoyed of today's video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I'll be happy to have you here in my little crochet family. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next leftover yarn projects. Bye bye.